Welcome back to another episode of the Crypto Serpent. And if you do like these videos, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you all so much for the amazing month that you have given me on YouTube. Best thing I ever did to open up this channel. I don't even know where to begin today. There is just so much to talk about. And if you stick around till the end, what I'm about to show you from a chart perspective, from a technical perspective, is absolutely insane. Let's go through the news, and then I'm gonna give you everything that's going on, what's happening, and we are literally about to explode into outer space. So, the XRP lawsuit, why the SEC decision to charge Ripple executives may have been a mistake. So, what's going on at the moment is that obviously there is a case between Ripple and the SEC, but from when you go to court, there are a lot of things that can happen, and depending on how you play your role and how you present your case, it can leave you exposed to the other side. And in this case, the Ripple lawyers have been absolutely fantastic at ripping the SEC to shreds, and so at the moment it looks like that decision to charge Ripple executives has opened them up to so much that now there's a backlash happening against them. So winning from here looks extremely unlikely. So other big news to come out is the federal government in America has come out with its plan to reveal the digital dollar prototypes in July. Now, this isn't the only country that has come out with that. So America, Jamaica, a lot of other countries are all now starting to pop up and coming up with these particular things. And guess which ledger it's all working on? Ripple. So Ripple is behind assisting all of these nations launching their own digital prototypes, which is absolutely incredible. Now, from a chart point of view, I want to give you a little taster. I want you to remember this by the time we get to the end of this video. So I want you to take a good look at what you just saw, and then I'll explain to you why it's going to be really important. So check that out. That's a taster of what's coming. Now, China writes blockchain and digital currency into its nation's future. We've talked about this year being the year of mass adoption. Now, while this isn't Ripple related, it's related to the entire cryptocurrency world. And what's important is that more nations, more companies, more people are coming into the cryptocurrency sphere. And that is a fantastic news, very positive for cryptocurrency, for China to come out and say that blockchain and digital currencies are in its 5-year plan. So fantastic news to come out of that. So XRP is gearing up for a massive pump, and says, credible crypto. And again, it's great to see that reputable crypto traders are out there showcasing, why they think it's important, why they think the breakout is coming, what it could look like, how it's going to happen. And if we look on TradingView today, XRP versus a US dollar, the technicals has just gone straight to a strong buy. So it was all hovering buy neutral, but it's just gone straight to strong buy now because the fundamentals are undeniable. So I wanted to give you this as well, and this is from Dark Defender on Twitter, and his handle is Defend Dark, and this is, I feel, a very good visual explanation for the XRP use cases. And this is how, in a drawing, how it's all going to make sense. So you got RippleNet company, you got the Interledger, you got the XRP ledger, you got the banks and the central banks, you got securities and commodities, you got the Flare network, you got all the other coins, and how this ecosystem is going to work. And I don't know about you, but I get excited about this kind of stuff. This is a masterpiece of making a visual explanation of how it's all going to work in the long term. When we talk about XRP being a $10,000 per XRP token, this is what's being built. But Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will this, but this is where we're heading, and the future looks very bright. Now, from the Oracle, so breaking news, SEC defeated in attempt to block XRP holders, motion to intervene, Judge Torres approves the motion. So this particular motion was filed, and it's a proposed interview's request to leave to file a motion to intervene is granted. And by April 19, 2021, the proposed investors shall file their motion to intervene. So it's a fantastic win for Ripple. I've mentioned already that we are in the strong buy category, which all the signals are screaming. But let me get to the part that I've been really excited to share with you today. Check this out. Look at what is about to happen. These things they're moments in time, and you gotta capture the moments when it happens, because before you know it, this will be gone. And if we look at this and we look at the structure, what you're about to see in Ripple is going to be absolutely incredible. The green candle that is about to arrive will be legendary. Now, it's not financial advice, and I'm not a financial planner. I bring you this, and I want you to go away and do your own research and come up with your own explanation. But that right there is freaking awesome. Now, a closer look at what is going on. This is where we're at. It's game time. We're heading to $1. We're about to explode, but I want to show you this. Left shoulder, right shoulder, next stop, the moon. So we could still play here, like there's still maybe, you know, just a tiny bit more, like a few more days at play here. We're talking a week and a half at most. I mean, it could break out at any moment from here and go straight up, but it could just keep us waiting for a little bit longer. So if you've been thinking about XRP, if you've been thinking about getting in, if it drops anywhere below 48, if it does go 48, 49 cents, grab some. If you're thinking that you're gonna grab some at 30 cents and you think, oh, I'm just gonna really maximize my return and I want to get the best possible entry, you could be in for a really bad shock. So if you've been researching at Ripple, researching XRP, researching Flare, understanding what's going on, what's happening, and all you're doing now is just sitting on the sidelines waiting for the perfect entry, it might be the biggest mistake you make, because overnight, when this breaks out, it's going to go to $1. So my question to you, if you are on the sidelines and you've already made up your mind that you're going into Ripple, are you going to go in at 50 cents or are you going to go in at $1? Or are you going to risk that there might be a better entry and risk having to buy in at 1? That's my question. That's what I'm going to leave you with. I want to know your comments, your strategies, your thoughts on Ripple. Leave them in the comments. If you learned something new today, hit the like and subscribe button. I cannot wait to see this play out. See you next time.